Whoa, how are we doing today, man? It's your boy BJ and Trade. The drill, trade recap for today. Essentially, we are gonna go over the trades I took today during London section. So, it was basically on live stream today. London section we live stream. I live stream on London section. Sorry, every single day, not every single day, and Monday, excluding Monday, uh, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I'm on stream. So with that being said, I'm on stream tomorrow. So you turn up, you take trades for free, good trades, not bad trades, and then we eat. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, let's get into it. Uh, so previously on my video, I marked out the sell side and I marked out this gap. So essentially, I want to see price come into the gap, take out this low, and then maybe we could get a push up. So that was just my bias for today. Although I was neutral, we can definitely open today and then we just keep selling off. So RT just RT just mark out this place, mark out the sell side, get the sweep, and I just killed onto the 15. So on the 15, what happened? What did I see? What was I thinking? So obviously Asia open, we traded up, took out this highs right here, and then we traded down. So on the down move, you can see we've been pretty much, you know, engulfing every bullish candle we made. So we make a bullish candle, we, close below the candle, and then we trade that down. We trade down right somewhere here as well. So you can see we engulf this candle as well. So we just keep going down. So we get into the gap, took out the low, the sell side. And from there, I was just looking for a reversal. So we scaled on to the 1 minute time frame, quick. And on the 1 minute time frame, you can clearly see yourself, it's pretty much a, insane downtrend. So we're just looking for buy. So we need a break of structure. So what happened? This is the daily gap, by the way. So what happened? So we took out this low, which is a sweep. So essentially, you still want to see price, keep going down. For the fact that we don't have a break of structure yet. So still want to see price keep going down. So right here, you can see we took out this low as well. And from there we start going up, start going up. So before this, the sweep of this low, yeah. What do we have? We have a low, yeah. And then make it high, and then we came all the way down, took out the low, and we still, keep going down. So from right here, you can see we then came all the way back up. Now we've get a close above the swing eye. That gives us a break of structure. So a lot of people can use the body. You can use the body if you want. You can use the whole candle. So essentially, you're using the body and it's the wick. So I like to use the wick because that tells me a lot. So we get a close above the wick, and then from there you can see, essentially after a break of structure, you expect price to to make like a fair value gap, or the block, break a block, and feign mitigation block. So we had a bullish fair value gap right here, and then on it to you we have a you know breaker right here. So on that run, yeah, you can see we traded up. Last down close candle right there. We then push up, close below above that swing high. Now we then start to consolidation. So what happened after is essentially three things. Accumulation, manipulation, and then distribution. So we have this breaker right here, yeah. We consolidate for a bit. So we manipulate, took out the low, yeah. Still respect the breaker right here. So why? How is this a breaker? A low, push up, last down close candle right there, close above it, came all the way down, order block right there. You can call it, demand, or you can call it order block, you can call it breaker block, anything. Now, taking out this low in that order block, now you expect price to, push up. So now from here, we'll start going up. So my first trade was a loss. Why? Because I wasn't patient enough. So first trade was a loss. And, I could have, you know, should have saying, he's a loss, man. I wouldn't say anything. He's a loss, he's a loss. There's no need to complain. My philosophy is, you either take the trade profit, straight to TP, or you get cooked. So I got cooked here. So I got cooked basically. Uh, took the trade right there. Not even there, it was right here. So and went straight up for a bit, and then from there the next candle just pretty much fuck everything up. Got stopped out, got XL there. So What was that? Oh, why did I, how, what the fuck am I saying? How is this a loss? Like, why is it a loss? It's just a dumb loss, bro. I could have known better. Actually, I should have known, okay, I think, we're still going to get a pullback before we keep going up. Why? Because I saw this place here. I saw this area right here. So we break above this place here. So these now become your previous, roof. So this, consolidation right here, consolidate. Then we break above this roof. So you can say resistance right here, support. So this support area right here will break above it. Now we came back to retest the area here, and from there you can see. So my second trade was right here. So after the pullback, I was still looking for longs. I was in kind of uh deceived by this dump because I knew, what I was looking for. I knew price was still gonna go up. Although we've, got the breakup structure already, so there's no point of just, dumping all the way to the low. So essentially we have the swing low right here. So we dumped, consolidate right here, made a high, low, lower high, and then lower low. So right here you can see we make this high and then we take out this low. So from here you can see after the sweep of this low, this one right here, this one, after the sweep of this low, we ending off this, bearish candle that gives you an order block. So we end off that candle and then we have a change in the state as well, which is right here. So how is that a change in the state of delivery? Because we have a high, a low, high, and then we'll take out this low. From there, after the sweep of this low, you can see the instant reaction from the buyers. We then get a close above this area. We also have a bearish fair value gap right here, which we disrespect the gap. So right here, I wait for the retest of the CISD, and I got my entry there. Literally no drawdown, bro. Literally no drawdown. I had my stop. Uh, I would say right somewhere, yeah, because I was risking, this candle's low, and then obviously got my entry there, and it just went up. My target was buy side right here, but we didn't get the buy side. I was trailing my stop, so I got top time profit. Target was right here, and obviously we didn't get we didn't get an entry right there. We didn't get that place. And then I got stop time profit right somewhere here. So I traded my stop to this low, and I got stop time profit. And then, however, the trade idea was still there. You see this previous low that was made as well. We came all the way down, took out the low, and then we went back up. So yeah, I'll show you the call out for today. If you call out on the Telegram group today, I'll show you. Let me switch it up to the Telegram. So right there you can see yourself. Sorry. So that was my entry, live account right there, deposit the money. There it is. And then the first call out there, and then the second call out. So there's two trades for the day, done for the day. And yeah, that was it, man. Pretty decent day. Nothing too crazy, you know what I'm saying? Just a chill day, you know what I'm saying? Live stream, call out trades, uh, one trade, W, get off the chart, chill, gym, you know what I'm saying? You know, nothing too crazy, man. No, you get me. And yeah, I appreciate every single one of you for watching my videos. Respect the love, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. Hopefully tomorrow, live streaming on TikTok as well. If you want to join the Telegram group, click in the description. Link in the description. Sorry, there's a link in the description. You know what I'm saying?